Did you know Angie Dickinson, one of Hollywood's fiercest femme fatales, was dropped from 4 major films simply because she refused to sleep with producers? At 93, she's not just a living legend, but a survivor of the Golden Age's darkest shadows. Born Angeline Brown in North Dakota, Angie's story begins far from the glitz of LA, but her charm and fierce wit made her a magnet for the spotlight. Her breakout came with Rio Bravo, but it was Policewoman that etched her name into pop culture history, making her one of the first women to lead a successful primetime drama. Can you imagine turning down Frank Sinatra and then falling in love with him anyway? Yes, their relationship became the stuff of Tinseltown legend, passionate, protective, and complicated. Though they never married, she did tie the knot twice in her lifetime. The first was a brief marriage to football star Angie Dickinson in 1952, which ended in divorce in 1960. But it was her second marriage to famed composer Burt Bacharach in 1965 that truly defined her personal life. Together, they welcomed a daughter, Nikki Bacharach, in 1966. Nikki was born prematurely and struggled with health issues throughout her life, including visual impairment and Asperger's syndrome. Angie devoted herself to Nikki's care with unwavering love and grace. Tragically, Nikki took her own life in 2007 at age 40, an unhealed wound in Angie's heart to this day. Angie rarely speaks of it, but those close to her say she's never been the same. As you can see, her Beverly Hills home, nestled on over 2 acres of pristine land, still whispers of old Hollywood glamour. Italian marble floors, a sunken living room, and a wraparound pool that reflects the twilight like a mirror. Parked out front, a vintage silver Mercedes SL convertible, because class never ages. Comment below which role of hers made you a fan. Though her career slowed in recent decades, the royalty checks haven't, thanks to reruns, voice work, and smart investments. These days, she lives quietly, surrounded by memories, designer silk robes, and old jazz records. Her fashion? Timeless. Tailored suits, bold lipsticks, and her signature heels. Her favorite splurge? Rare perfumes and Baccarat crystal. She reads, she walks, she remembers. So don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping mansion tours and powerful celebrity stories. Angie Dickinson's legacy isn't just about what she did, but what she refused to do. Now that's true Hollywood grit.